Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open Teams calendar and pick the start time you need. Choose new meeting or new event because both let you reserve time. Set a clear title and duration, then change the show as status to busy so others see you're unavailable. Once done, select the right calendar, work or personal, and add a channel or location if relevant. This helps visibility. Save or send to confirm the block. Make sure notifications are enabled so you don't miss conflicts. Now refine the block so it actually protects your time. Use recurrence for repeated blocks, daily, weekly, or a custom pattern, because recurring slots save manual work. Toggle private to hide details from coworkers or add specific attendees if collaboration is required. Set a reminder and confirm the correct time zone, especially for remote teams, otherwise you'll appear available at the wrong hour. Add agenda notes in the body so you remember. Finish by verifying key settings. Confirm show as is busy and the correct calendar is selected, then save or send. If teammates can still book over your time, make sure your work hours and scheduling options block external bookings. If the block doesn't appear or updates lag, troubleshoot by signing out and back in, clearing the team's cache, or checking Outlook calendar integration. These steps often resync events. If problems persist, contact IT for account or policy issues that prevent blocking time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.